All right, that's my.
Was that Hatters?
Mad Hatters.
The Mad Hatters.
Why would mercury even be used in hat making?
You know what happened was I ticked it instead of on-site.
Lead does.
Nothing fixes it like doing that.
I was like, I'm deleting this so that it goes away, and that's not really.
I have to blame it.
Not really.
Can you point that here?
So,
Start with the
Doesn't lead like replace like calcium or something? Your body thinks it's calcium.
Yeah, it replaces the. Yeah.
Where's lead in the bone?
Yep. You watch. This is not the worst for it.
You can give me real close.
Yeah.
Yeah, it seemed like the. I mean, there's another foot in the rear where you can kind of do a left, but maybe you get a foot out left. I don't think that like the most secure thing that I was looking. Yeah, that's a good foot. Nice. Yep. Oh god.
Yeah.
Alright, you're on lead.
Yep.
Where are my feet? It's okay.
yeah. Ooh! Rock! That handhold just came right off. That's a little scary. Okay.
Yeah, it was like 6 days left.
I mean, the peak's right there.
Yeah, maybe it was up a little bit.
I think it's up a little higher where you see that.
Ooh. Hey, there's a big rock here. I'm gonna throw it into the woods. Rock.
So after that, I'm just gonna be a little more careful. Triple checking every handhold.
The rest of it's